Go ahead. Say hi.
Hi.
Who is that?
Zoe.
Zoe? What's going on here?
Here.
Is he happy?
No.
Is he angry?
Sad.
He's sad? Why is he sad?
Mama.
That's Mama? Is it because he's drinking coffee? Why is he sad? Do you know why he's sad? Is he sad because there's no daddy on there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? Hey. Hey, hey, hey.
Baba.
You want to play with Bubbles? Okay.